Creating the perfect backyard is a dream for many of us. What's not to enjoy about having a place to escape and relax at the end of a long day? Or having a place to host friends and family during the summer months that is comfortable, spacious, and appealing to the eye. Creating a perfect outdoor retreat starts with your patio. It's likely to be the place where you will spend the majority of your time. You'll kick back there, host guests there, and grill delicious meals during the summer months. But what are the steps you need to take to ensure that you can build the patio of your dreams? Step 1. Make a plan. Picture what your ideal dream patio looks like. Keep in mind that trends are fun, but you should do exactly what you want. It's your dream patio, after all, and you'll be the one spending the most time there. Step 2. Determine the main use of your patio. Do you want your patio to function as a place for you to relax, or will you use it primarily as a space to host family and friends? Once you've answered those questions, consider how often you see yourself using it for its intended purpose. Determining how you'll use your patio will help answer many other questions along the way. For example, do you want the patio to be covered or uncovered? If your patio is covered, you may be more confined when you have guests over to use it. However, it will allow you to not have to worry as much about inclement weather. Determining whether or not your patio is covered will likely tie in with whether or not you will need or want the patio to connect to your house, driveway, deck, or side porch. Take a step back in the planning process and decide what will be most beneficial to you and your needs for your outdoor space. Step 3. Decide on the right size for your patio. What size is most appropriate for your yard? A pro tip to remember about patio pavers is that you'll need an additional 6 inches on the outside dimensions of your patio to allow for edging that keeps those pavers in place. Step 4. Materials, florals, and pavers. This leads us to materials. You can add to the aesthetic of your patio by incorporating visually appealing assets such as florals. You'll want to consider whether or not you'll want florals incorporated and what options would best suit your area. Think of color, space, and maintenance when considering them as an addition to your patio space. You can also consider adding a fire pit to your outdoor paradise. The wide variety of fire pits available will ensure that you'll be able to find one to match your ideal patio situation. Besides being aesthetically pleasing additions, fire pits also offer the added bonus of providing you and your guests with opportunities to do fun things like sit by the fire in the cooler months and toast marshmallows in the summer. Pavers will be an integral part of laying your patio. Consider choosing a variety of colors, borders, finishes, and patterns when laying your pavers. Ultimately, the style you choose will have to be something that makes you feel at home. But overall, it helps to choose materials that match or complement your existing environment. The most important thing to remember when building your perfect patio is not to skip vital steps in the process. You don't want to waste time and money putting together a patio that will fall apart quickly and need to be repaired. The short-term investment in creating your patio with care will produce more beneficial long-term results. Ready to get started? Find a local Nitterhouse Masonry Products East Coast or Mid-Atlantic dealer, or contact Nitterhouse Masonry Products directly for product information and inspiration.